Hey guys, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here is an attached Chinese ladder braid. So you'll start by gathering hair at the top and tying it into a ponytail. Now take the ponytail into your right hand, and with your left hand, gather some hair from the left side. Now you won't combine the two, just hold them separately in your left hand. Now gather some hair from the right side and combine that hair with the ponytail. Now, with the ponytail in your right hand, you're going to take that section of hair on the left and take it under the ponytail, over and through that loop to create a knot. And this is the technique you will use all the way down. You'll gather hair on the left side and add it to that left strand, and then you'll gather hair on the right side and add it to the ponytail. And then that left strand will go under and over the ponytail and then through the loop. I like to put the ponytail in the palm of my right hand, and then also with my right hand, I'll put the left strand in between my pointer and my middle finger. Then I'll stick my left hand through the loop, flip my right wrist under and over the ponytail. I'll grab that strand with my left hand and tighten. Holding it like that works best for me, but you can find whatever works best for you. And then you just continue that technique all the way down. Take some hair from the left side, add it to that left strand, and then take some hair from the right side and add it to that ponytail, and then flip that left strand under and over the ponytail and through the loop, and then tighten. And this is the technique you'll do all the way down. The technique of going under and over and through is just like the regular Chinese ladder braid. The only difference here is that I'm adding hair from both the left and the right sides, which makes it so that it's attached to the head. So because it's attached, it will look slightly different from a regular Chinese braid because there's more hair that's being flipped, but it's basically the same technique. And then when you get to the end and you have no more hair to add, I just do one more sequence of the under, over, and through stitch, and then I tie it with an elastic. Then take a scissors and cut the elastic at the top, and then comb over that top section so that it blends in with the rest of the hair. And that's it. I really like how it looks attached to the head. Thank you for watching, and please remember to tag Hair to Dream if you try it.